Okay, it's been a while since I did a video on the USB cables. I did one a long time ago when they were first making them. And they really were a bit of a mess in the beginning. This here is a brand new Magic Pi 3 USB cable. Plugs directly into the wire harness of the Magic Pi 3 and the USB port on any computer. You can see it's nicely done now. It's all integrated into one cable. Very nice. This cable here, this is for an internal controller Magic Pi 2. I don't stock these motors, but some people still have them. You can see this is also a nicely integrated cable. And this controller cable here, this USB cable, is for the external Magic Pi 2 or the 901 or the 902, anything that uses the Magic controller. It also works on the large BAC 501 controllers. Plugs directly into the controller. All integrated, nice USB cable. As you can see, they've improved quite a bit since I made a video last time. And they work well. Never had one with a problem. Gary Salo, Golden Motor Canada.